In this video, we will be showing you how to install your WCP1 chimney hood from Best. To start, make sure you have all the proper tools. Then, you will want to identify all the accessories and hardware included with your hood. Reference this guide in the instructions to set the proper ducting for either vertical or horizontal exhaust. Like the frame we have behind this wall, you will need to ensure there is proper wood wall framing behind the hood. Use this graphic as a reference. Once you have your wood framing set, mark your center line. The hood should be 24 to 30 inches above the cooking surface. This corresponds with the screw position on center line of 37.5 to 43.5 inches above the cook surface. Reference back to the guide for more details. Now, let's remove the grease filters. On the top and back of the product, there are knockouts for both vertical and horizontal exhausts. Remove the knockout for your application. At this time, remove the blower and blower plate from inside the unit. For vertical exhaust, do not remove the blower. Install the center screw so that there is approximately 3/16 of an inch left out of the wall. Use the center mounting point of the bracket on hood to hook onto the screw. You can easily slide the hood back and forth on the slot to help level and position the hood. Check that the hood is level. Then, firmly fix the hood to the wall using the other two supplied screws to the left and right. Once the upper part of the hood is secure, you can now fix the lower part of the hood to the wall. Using the supplied hardware, pre-drill the holes on either side of the blower plate and secure with washers and screws. To connect the wiring, start by removing the electrical cover. Install provided UL-approved strain relief. Connect the wiring, ensuring the ground is also connected. Once all the wiring is properly connected, reinstall the electrical cover. Now you can install the upper flue mounting bracket. You will use the center line that was used to mount the lower part of the hood. Make sure the top of the bracket is flush to the ceiling and back wall. Mark the center, pre-drill holes, install wall anchors necessary for your installation, and start a screw to hold the bracket in place. Make any necessary adjustments left and right. Finish attaching using the other two screws to the left and right of center. For vertical exhaust, you will attach the damper at the top of the hood. For horizontal exhaust, install the damper from the inside where the blower was. After the damper is placed, you can reinstall the blower. Place the blower back inside the hood. Ensure the blower plate rests against the raised area inside the hood. Then secure the blower with the two screws included. For vertical exhaust, you will now attach the round ductwork to the damper. Note this label indicating bottom side of the flue. Confirm the position and keep this orientation during installation. If you plan not to use recirculation, you'll need to flip the upper flue, an internal piece, 180 degrees. Remove the plastic film and handle flue with care to prevent scratching. Take both flues as assembled and position on top of the hood. Make sure the plastic film is removed. Pull the upper flue and slide on top screws present on the ceiling bracket. While gently pushing the upper flue toward the wall, secure it by tightening screws on both sides of the ceiling bracket. Plug in the blower, then reinstall the grease filters. Turn on electrical power, then turn on the hood, and ensure all functions are working properly. A simple process for a stunning result. Just like that, your new WCP1 chimney-style hood from Best is now installed.